G'day Australia, my name's Korum from Universalfuze. Many of you will know Universalfuze from our very famous UF1 Interface cable. We have sold thousands and thousands of these. They let you plug and play a new head unit into a Ford BF Falcon or Ford SX Territory. And because we're the only ones that manufacture that, we've sold quite a lot and it's brought a lot of our Ford fam to us. So thank you for your purchases in the past. If you've enjoyed that cable and been able to DIY and upgrade to your Ford with that little harness, we have an exciting update and upgrade on that harness, which is what I'm introducing to you today. So the famous UF1 cable, we've redesigned it a little bit. We've made it a little neater, a little smaller, a little faster for us to fabricate and manufacture. And the cable now, instead of its famous yellow form, it's now in red, black and yellow twisted cable pairs. It's still plug and play, operates the same as always. The two plugs connect at the back of the fuse panel in the Ford BF Falcon and Ford SX Territory. Those two plugs give you power, accessories and ground and audio into the factory system. The other end of the harness, when unraveled, gives you RCA connection to your new head unit and an ISO power connector that we then attach to the head unit specific adapter, so Kenwood, Pioneer, Alpine, whichever new head unit you're putting in the car. We have a very cool Pioneer package available for those vehicles, the Ford SX Territory and BF Falcon. This is a very clever little head unit that has a built-in phone holder, so it allows you, if you have an Android device, to run Android Auto on your dash in the Ford Falcon and Territory. It fits neatly in with the mounting kit supplied as a part of the package. It's a very popular solution. Many of you will know it because we've sold hundreds and hundreds of these over the past couple of months since this bad boy came out. We also have some cool Alpine and Kenwood packages to give you a good quality Bluetooth upgrade in your Ford Falcon or Territory, and it all fits in under the factory audio system. It's all plug and play, so you have no soldering to do. And your steering wheel controls are still the master volume control. They're retained as master volume control, so you don't need any other expensive adapters or install knowledge to be able to get a plug and play solution in, run into the factory auxiliary input of your factory unit and get Bluetooth streaming and Bluetooth hands-free through the factory system with the steering wheel controls all still operational as per new. It's a very good little kit and package. It's exclusive to universalfuze.com.au. Come and check it out if you don't have one already. If you do have one already and you've got friends or family that want to upgrade their Fords, you now know that the UF1 cable is a little bit updated and upgraded. It's just a little neater and a little easier to install than ever before. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Follow us on the socials, universalfuze.com.au. Check it out on Facebook, Instagram. We are everywhere. See you soon.